Hello, we're at Extreme Metal Products here in Cleveland, Ohio. Today we're going to be mounting our heavy-duty rear bumper onto a CFMOTO UForce 1000. This model is a 2023 that we're working on today. So what you're going to get is you're going to get this piece here. You're going to get a nice heavy-duty rear bumper. Comes with D-rings, comes with a gland plate. You can take this off and mount our light kit if you want reverse lights. It's all welded and ground smooth, made from 11 gauge steel. It has 3/16 thick mounting brackets, as you can see there. So what we're going to do, first thing, using a 13 millimeter wrench, we are going to remove the tailgate support. There's 2 bolts. Remove these, save these parts. You're going to be using them again. So then what we're going to do is we are going to take this bracket, and you can see kind of the part we just took out. It's going to go right back in here, those same bolts back in. And that's going to mount up here like this, under your bed. And then you're going to, with the supply bolts, there's going to be some M6 bolts, one in each, about in the middle here. And then there's going to be another M8 bolt that's supplied. And that is going to go into the threaded insert into the tube that's already in your bed here. So once you get, so we're going to bolt this into place. Then these 2 holes are going to line up with these 2 holes in the bumper here. Then we're going to do, once we get this bolted in place, we're going to set the bumper up there. We're going to use the 3/8 bolt supply. We're going to go through all 3 layers. And this part here is kind of important because what this will do, this will mount up to the pins that hold your bed on. So you're going to get another mounting point that's going to be to the pins of the bed, which hooks to the frame. So you're going to mount to both the bed and also to the pins in the frame. Let's get to work. Okay, now we're going to take that channel we showed you, and we're going to take the stock bracket that came out of the center of the tailgate there, underneath there, and we're going to use the stock 2 bolts with a 13 millimeter socket. We're going to snug these up. We're not going to tighten them all the way. We're going to make them kind of finger tight, maybe a little tighter. But leave it so we have a little bit of movement in it. Here comes Mike. He's coming to give us a hand. There we go. There we go. Oh, he dropped a bolt. He's not the sharpest guy we got, but he's all we got. There we go. Tighten that up a little bit. Careful not to tighten it all the way yet. Now we're going to use 2 M6 bolts. And they go into the threads in the bed. And then the outer ones are going to be an M8. So they're a little bit bigger of a bolt. But again, we're using the stock threads. And these bolts are provided with the bumper. So you're going to have 4 of those bolts and 2 of the stock bolts in the middle. You're going to have 6 mounting points in this bracket. And again, there's no cutting or drilling. There we go. He's got it. He's got it. Get it in there. Now we go back and we can tighten everything up now that they're all started and in place. Okay, now with the help of Brother Bob coming over, and we got Mike on the other side. This is helpful to have a friend to help you here. You could do it yourself, but you could drop it on yourself, so you don't want to do that. So we're going to use the 4 3/8 bolts provided. Now this is the bracket that goes back to the pin. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide this over the pin. You're going to pull a little cotter pin out, slide it over the pivot pins. Then you're going to use the 3/8 by 1 bolts. It'll be 2 on per side, so 4 total. You're going to slide them in there. Now this really helps to have a friend because somebody will hold it in place. And then these are 9/16. I mean, they're going to take a 9/16 wrench. So you're going to tighten those up. Now you can pretty much tighten everything up. See that nice laser cut logo? See all those mounting points? Very nice. And then there's that bracket we told you about. There, we're going to tighten it up. Now see, it comes with these nice D-rings. And under it, you can take off those gland plates and add a reverse light kit if you want. Now we got 30-inch tires on here. Some guys got 27s that come with it. Some guys got bigger ones. So we have an option where you can adjust the angle of the bed. We sell this by itself also. So this, in other words, you can adjust it so it will not rub on the tire. There's 4 different positions depending on how big your tires are. There it is. That's a nice looking bumper. Very nice looking. Check us out. Extreme Metal Products. We're in Cleveland, Ohio.